Hey there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're going to learn how to use these verbs correctly. Let's get started. This is not correct.
In this video, we're going to talk about how native speakers actually talk in English.
It's not correct to say talk in English. With languages, we have to say speak. I don't speak French. I speak English.
Well, I feel like this is the right spot. Am I speaking English?
Yes.
I'm afraid I don't understand, sir. Are you speaking English?
Do you speak French? Do you speak English? Good job. We also say speak when we speak in public. It's not correct to say talk in public. We speak in public.
He's just a little shy about speaking in public.
I hate speaking in public.
Now he has this thing about speaking in public. He's all freaked out.
You be very mindful of how you act and speak in public.
He has a fear of speaking in public. Do you have a fear of speaking in public? Good job. So remember, with languages, we have to say speak. I speak English. I don't speak French. He has a fear of speaking in public. But other than that, talk and speak mean the same thing, but they're slightly different. Let's talk about it.
Speak is more formal than talk, and we have to look at the prepositions. We have different prepositions. You can use to or with, and all combinations are correct. I talk to my friends, I talk with my friends. I speak to my friends, or I speak with my friends. These are all correct. But there's a difference. What's the difference? Well, speak is more formal than talk, and the preposition with is more formal than the preposition to. So the least formal and most common and most natural is talk to. I talk to my friends every day. I talk to my friends on the phone. And speak with is the most formal. So avoid using speak with. It's too formal in most cases. I'll tell you a story. When I was dating my wife, she called my house and my father answered. And she said, "Can I speak with Kevin?" And my father was worried. He thought it was a serious phone call. He thought something happened. So in conversational English, we use talk to. It's the least formal. And when I ask a question, I end with the preposition to. Who is he talking to? The answer, he's talking to his friends. If I ask the question, who is he speaking with? It sounds strange. It sounds too formal. So I ask the question, who is he talking to? The answer, he's talking to his friends. Let's practice. Who is he talking to? That's right, he's talking to his friends. So remember, use speak when referring to languages. I speak two languages. It's not correct to say I talk two languages. We have to use speak in this case. I speak two languages. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.